It says a cylinder and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the lateral surface area of the cylinder in square centimeters? Notice we're just looking for lateral surface area, so you should be thinking pH. Remember, pH is lateral surface area. The plus 2b is from when we're looking for total surface area. So we're not going to need the area of the two bases. We're just going to need the perimeter of the base times the height. So if we look at our base, we should notice right away it's a circle, right? Because that's the shape of the base of a cylinder. So I'm going to go and shade those circles in. And we know that for P, right, that is the perimeter of the base. And we're going to multiply that to the height. So when you're thinking perimeter of the base, you should be thinking circumference. And let me focus that in. So when we're looking for circumference, right, which is the perimeter of a circle, just the distance around a circle, we should be thinking the formula 2 pi r. Now in this case, did they give us the radius? And the answer is no, they gave us the diameter. But that's fine, because that's actually going to make it a little bit easier for us. If they gave us the diameter, then that's 2 times the radius. And notice this 2 pi r, that's 2 times pi times the radius. That means we're multiplying 2 also to the radius. And so 2 times the radius is just the diameter. Therefore, we don't need the 2, we don't need the r. We're just going to do 8.4 times pi. Now if you wanted to, you could still go ahead and divide this out, get your r and plug it in. But I would say that if you know that diameter times pi is the circumference, just as 2 pi r, those are the same things. In other words, for those who might be a little confused here, if you might have forgot, 2 pi r is equal to pi times the diameter. Those are equal statements. So if they give you the diameter, you're just going to multiply it to pi. If they give you the radius, then you got to multiply it times pi and 2. So our perimeter is 8.4 pi. Our height is going to be this distance between the two bases, and it's 10.9. So I'm going to put this in parentheses and then put 10.9. And let's go ahead and put that in our calculator, and we'll know what our lateral surface area is. Alright, we're going to go ahead and plug that in. We're going to say parenthesis, and then I'm going to put 8.4 times pi, close parenthesis, and that's my diameter times pi. And then I'm going to multiply that to the height, 10.9, and then I'm going to hit enter. And it gives me 287.6. So I'm going to go ahead and document that. So it was 287.6 centimeters squared, because it's area. And that's my lateral surface area. Now if I come down here, the answer is G, 287.6 centimeters squared.